Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. The question is, we have this right angle triangle. The sides are 5, 4 and 3 and we need to calculate the area of this shaded square. How can we solve this? Before starting the solution, like the video, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. Let the side of the square is x and the length from here to here is A and from here to here is B. This length will be also x from here to here. Now we can write A plus x plus B equal to 5. Let this angle is theta, so we can write tangent theta equal to 3 by 4. And from this triangle, let this is triangle 1. From this triangle we can write tangent theta equal to x divided by A. If this angle is theta, then this angle will be 1 minus theta. If this is 1 minus theta, this angle will be theta. And this is x and this length is B. So from this triangle, if this is triangle 2, we can write tangent theta equal to B by x. From here we can write x by A equal to 3 by 4 and A is equal to 4x divided by 3. From here we can write B by x equal to 3 by 4 and B is equal to 3x divided by 4. Now from this equation we can write 4x by 3 plus x plus 3x by 4 equal to 5. We will take x common and we can write 4 by 3 plus 1 plus 3 by 4 equal to 5. Simplify this, we will get x equal to 60 divided by 37, and from here we can get x square equal to 3600 divided by 1369, and this is the required answer. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.